What's going on, guys? This is Vince with vshred.com, and in today's video I have a complete upper body workout using just your body weight. Alright, so like I said, in today's video I'm going to show you a upper body workout that you can do where you don't need any weights or anything like that. I will say, however, you will need a pull-up bar. It doesn't necessarily mean that you need a pull-up bar. You can use your roof, you can use the raft. I don't know if you have something hanging off your house where it holds your body weight. If you use a basketball backboard, whatever you want to use, as long as you have something to pull your body up, you're going to have to do two types of different pull-ups here. But getting into the workout, it's going to be 4 different exercises total, but it's going to have the first 2 exercises supersetted and the second 2 exercises supersetted. You're going to go first superset 4 times, second superset 4 times, and you're going to be done. Well, it's going to be a minute rest in between all those, and then you're going to be done. So instead of just basically reiterating myself and just repeating myself over and over and over and over, what I'm going to do is show you the first superset, show you how to do it, show you the reps that you want to do. Then I'm going to show you the second superset, how many reps you want to do, and then you can take it from there on your own and complete the full workout, just knowing that you're having the right form throughout it. So first superset is going to be pull-ups and pike push-ups, and the reason that we're doing this is because a great method of supersetting is to do opposing muscle groups, which is going to be a pulling movement. It's going to be a pull down, and then it's also going to be a push up. So it's going to be pull down with the pull ups, and then you're going to flip over, you're going to get down, stick your butt up in the air, and you're going to do pike push ups. So it's going to work your back, and then it's going to also work a lot of your shoulders, and then a little bit of your upper chest. We're going to go for 10 reps each here. We're going to do pull ups, so I'll get right into the pull ups. And with the pull-ups, what you really want to focus on is not so much just swinging yourself up and getting the bar to your chest. You more so want to focus on what your elbows are doing in comparison to your back. You want to try to keep your shoulders rolled back the whole time. A lot of times people end up doing pull-ups and they look like this, and they use a lot of their biceps, and they wonder why they don't feel it in their back. That's because you're not using your body as one big machine. Your body works in unison, everything. So what you want to do is, instead of just keeping your shoulders hunched over and pulling like this, you want to lead with your shoulders, and then you want to pull down through your elbows, and that's what's going to actually squeeze down on that lat muscle. So get into this now. You're going to do 10 pull-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Get right down. Pike push-ups. So you're gonna have your butt up in the air. You're gonna go down towards the ground. Push up just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I'm gonna rest for a minute here. And then we're gonna get into the second superset of the exercise, and instead of going with a pulling and then a pushing, we're gonna flip-flop it. We're gonna go a push and then a pull. So what we're gonna do is regular push-ups here, and I'm sure you guys know how to do those. And then we're going to go into an inverted variation of a pull-up. So instead of doing just a regular pull-up here, we're actually going to flip upside down once we're on the bar, and we're going to pull our butt up towards the bar. And what it's going to act as is basically a rowing motion rather than a pull down motion. So we're going to hit those lat muscles from a different angle. We're going to stimulate different fibers, and we're also going to offset the angle of the push that we're doing. So I'm going to get down into the push-ups. With push-ups, I've made plenty of videos about proper push-up form. Most important thing is to make sure that you are rolling your shoulders outward, because that automatically tucks your scapula and allows you to do a push-up properly and stimulate the right muscles. And then also you want your elbows to go down to a 45-degree angle rather than straight out to a 90-degree angle. That way you actually work your chest here. So 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like I said, I'm gonna get right into this. So you're gonna go up, you're gonna bring your feet underneath, And then from here, you're going to row your body up to that bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! And that's the second superset. So what you're gonna do is rest for a minute, repeat, rest, repeat, rest, repeat. You're gonna complete 4 sets of that superset with a minute, like I said, in between, and you're done. So I'm not necessarily gonna sit here and take you through 4 sets of those supersets and just bore you with this video. Instead, I'd rather make sure that you are doing the proper form for the exercises, and then you can just take that knowledge that you learned in this video and run with it. And if you guys did learn anything, if you guys did like this video, make sure you're hitting that thumbs up button below. That shows me whether or not you guys are liking the content in each of my videos. So if you particularly like one video's content more than the others, make sure you're hitting that thumbs up. Or if you just like all of them, I wouldn't mind a thumbs up on all the videos, so make sure you're hitting it down below. And then also, if you guys are trying to get in shape, New Year's is here now. If you're watching this right when it's posted, if you're watching this in the middle of June, I guess you're watching this a little late, but no matter what time of the year it is, if you are trying to get in shape, I know it can be difficult. I know there's a lot of information on the internet, and that's why I've basically devoted my life and created a business, V-Shred, where we can help people understand the most important aspects of what you really need to do to get in shape. And a lot of times people find out that it's not as hard as they think when they take the right approach, because most people just hop on these one-size-fits-all programs, and it's not catered to what they are dealing with. Are they sensitive to carbs? Are they trying to lose 50 pounds? Are they trying to gain 10 pounds of muscle? Are they just trying to shed off that last layer of fat? These all need different types of training and dieting. And that's why we created a body type quiz, so that we can figure out what body type that you are. We can tell you your body type, and then we can give you, and then also what we do is for free, we just give you the 3 most important things that you need to do to actually get in shape and actually finally see results and stop getting frustrated by looking in the mirror after 2 weeks and hitting a plateau and end up quitting. That's no fun. Nobody likes that. So this way you can actually start to get real results. And then if you want to get one of our programs, fine, but if not, you can get those 3 free tips and get the ball moving. If you want to check out that free body quiz, you can click the link in the description right below this video. And then other than that, if you guys have any comments for me, questions for me, questions about this video, or topics that you guys want me to cover, something that you're confused about, leave it in the comment section below. And then last but not least, make sure you are clicking that subscribe button. That way you are getting notified when I'm releasing a new video. But sometimes YouTube is dumb, it doesn't notify you, so make sure you're clicking that little notification bell right next to the subscribe button as well. That way you actually get notified and get my latest tips and tricks in the gym and in the kitchen and with supplementation the second I post them, so that you can get a head start on, I guess, everybody else. So guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.